Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Dismissing the special leave petitions, this court empowers the Parliament to legislate for two or more states on any of the matters with respect of which the Parliament has no power to make law except as provided under Articles 250. This power to legislate is vested in the Parliament only if two or more state legislatures think it desirable to have a law enacted by Parliament on such matters in list second, that is with respect to which the Parliament has no power to make law for the state. Stop. The passing of the resolutions by the state legislatures is a condition precedent for vesting the Parliament with such power. The scope of entry 18 is very wide and the land mentioned therein may be agricultural or non-agricultural and may be rural or urban. Stop. The subject matter carved out of entry 18 under the resolutions passed by the various state legislatures related to only urban immovable property, and by virtue of the resolution, the law that can be enacted by the Parliament should be a law imposing a ceiling on such urban immovable. Stop. From the resolution, it is clear that the subject matter that was resolved to be entrusted to the Parliament was the one imposing a ceiling on urban immovable property and acquisition of such property in excess of the ceiling. Stop. The subject matter is the topic that falls within entry 18 of list second of schedule 7th to the Constitution, and the subject matter of entry 18 has been originally kept apart for the state legislature to make law, and Parliament had no competence in respect of those matters falling under the wide scope of entry 18. By virtue of this resolution, a part of the area falling under entry 18 is transferred to the domain of Parliament to make law relating to the matters within the transferred area. Stop. The primary object and the purpose of the Urban Land Ceiling and Regulation Act 1976 is to provide for the imposition of ceiling on vacant land in urban agglomeration and for acquisition of such lands in excess of the ceiling limit, and to regulate the construction of buildings on such lands and for matters connected therewith. Stop. The Land Reforms Act as amended in 1974 is a welfare legislation. Stop. The object of the act was to have a uniform law in the state of relating to agrarian reforms, conferment of ownership on tenants, ceiling on land holdings, and for certain other matters contained therein. Stop. In respect of imposing ceiling on the land under urban agglomeration, the provisions of the Ceiling Act. Stop.